You've probably been told that you need to do a DAPP course. Good luck with that. 12-month waiting list, or it's closed, or it's broken, don't have a criminal record, whatever the excuse might be. And even if you could get on one, let's be honest, most of them don't teach you anything real. They shame you, label you, then shove you out the door with a certificate and no clue how to fix what went wrong in the first place. That's why I've built this, the Domestic Abuse Accountability and Insight Program. DAAIP is for men who are ready to face the truth, not get destroyed by it. This isn't about begging the court. It's about showing them you get it, that you've done the work, that you understand how your behaviour affected her and your kids, that you're not some villain. You're a man, human, flawed, but fucking trying. If that's you, stick around, because this program just might help you prove to the court what they don't want to believe. That you're changing, that you're serious, and that you do care for your kids and have respect for your ex-partner.